Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on Suno. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about Suno app. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage, storage. And then we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.